G'day viewers, here we are on our way back to Seven Islands. We had such a good time there the other day. We're going to go back and have another 2 hours snorkel there. The great thing about it is it's only 10 minutes from Coron town, and you just jump on a boat for 5 minutes and you're snorkeling away. Living the dream. Go Whispers Bar and Grill. Here's our captain today. What's your name, boss?
My name Bong.
Who?
Bong.
Bong.
Bongbong Marcos.
Bong. Bong.
What's your state, ma'am?
Okay, Bong.
Kasama natin.
You a good swimmer?
Yeah, it's for 1 meter.
Very powerful. Okay. And this is our boat here. The orange and white one.
What's your state?
Yep. Here we have our friend Clara from France joining us. Well,
I'm sorry, I just broke your romantic moment.
no, that's okay. We've had plenty of romantic moments. All good. Boom. Where are we going to? What part? Over there? Okay. Over to the reefs over here. There's a nice reef on the right, and then a nice reef around the rock on the left-hand side there. The water's pretty clear now. We've got off the shore, and after the typhoon for the last 5 days.
At Seven Island, a good for snorkeling, beautiful corals, and then a lot of fish. So it's all good swimmer.
Me no.
No, don't worry, ma'am, because I help you for swimming.
Nagpo-float ako ya.
Apo, hawak ka lang dito, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos hilain mo kayo.
Okay po.
So start na tayo.
Can start now.
Thank you, Boom.
Thank you.
And he's all set to do some more snorkeling. She's had to put the petroleum jelly all over her body because she gets a rash from the salt water. The petroleum jelly seems to help.